Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. Today I have a wig review for you guys. I was sent this wig to review for you. This is a 16-inch frontal wig. I will have all the details and all that in the description box. This is a human hair Brazilian. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, straps, and it also comes with lace in the front and back. I did bleach the knots, and as you can see, I kind of over bleached it, but I'm gonna show you guys, you know, my tricks on how I can fix that, because no, we're not about to rock over bleached knots. So I'm gonna go ahead, style her, and we're gonna jump into the deets and my thoughts on this wig. So if you are new to my channel, check me out. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right into this video.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody.
Alright y'all, for me to have curled this wig so fast, like look how the curls turned out. Like girl, what you talking about? This is cute. This is how the back is looking. And I want to curl it. I didn't let the curls, you know, sit that long because it is midnight on a Sunday night. And I want to get this filmed, you know, quick, fast, and hurry. So let's jump into the deets on this wig, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So alright y'all, so I had to do a quick look at my phone to get the details, but okay, I'm ready. So this is an Amazon wig that was sent to me to review for you guys. Now I do want to point this out. I love the grade of this hair. So yeah, I love the grade of this hair. I'm very impressed. And then it bleached really well, so I just want to point that out. So let's jump into the details. So this is a 16-inch. It was going for $99. It is a 13x4 frontal. It is pre-plucked. It said it come with baby hairs, unless I comb mine into the hair, but you can easily add baby hairs if you wanted to, and it bleached really well, as you can see. I really like that. I didn't do any baby hairs because I don't think it needs it. Probably when I do, you know, actually go out and wear this, I will, you know, put baby hairs in it, but to me, I don't really think I need it. It took the curls really nice. Y'all saw that I didn't put any clips or anything. I just curled it, let it fall, and I only let it sit for a couple seconds. And I forgot to record the clip where I was actually finger combing this hair out. I thought I was recording that, but I wasn't. So overall, you already know that I do love this hair. I'm very impressed with the hair. The grade of this hair is really nice. The texture on here, when you wash it and all that, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So I will have links in the description box if you are interested. So for me, I do highly recommend this wig. You will not be disappointed at all. This is a 16-inch and I just love it. I really, really love this wig. It is 100%, 150% density. Like I said, I will have all the details that I did not mention in the video in the description box. Also, if you have not subscribed by now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit all for notifications so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And once again, thank you so much for tuning in, because I don't think there's anything else to say about this wig. I really do like this hair. It was so easy to style. It's just gorgeous to me. Like, let me do another 360, y'all. Y'all tell me how the back is looking. I think it's looking good. So I don't have anything else to say. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.